Hi there, this video is going to show you how to use Discovery Education to research your animal for your research project starting the week of May 4th. So this is my homepage on Discovery Education. Yours will look a little bit different when you log in. However, it has the same tools. Remember, you get to this by going to the student portal and going to educational resources. Same place where you go to iReady, and then you'll just have to sign in again to get to this Discovery Education page. So to search a specific animal, you go to this eyeglass right here, and it will say search, and then you can type in the name of your animal, or you can use this microphone feature to do voice to text to search. So I'm going to search an animal, and I'll show you how to use this microphone feature. Red-eyed tree frog. Once I say the name of the animal, I don't even have to hit enter or search. It will just automatically come up with all of the resources that they have that relate to the red-eyed tree frog. Up here, there are some tabs. If you exclusively want to look at videos, you can click on videos, and then you'll see the titles of different videos that have to do with the red-eyed tree frog. So lots of different places to get information about that for your research. If you just like an image of it, the image feature is not as good. That's okay. And then there's channels where it has some maybe related information. Boards, these are some kind of digital posters that other students have created, just if you're curious. I think the best resource on Discovery Education for researching is going to be videos, though. This is actually a lot of what I use in class during science time to show students certain skills. So I would like the students this week to use their science and social studies time to continue to research their animal instead of doing an additional activity during that time. If your child would like to explore other things on Discovery Education, they can do that through the search, or they can do that from the home page. They're welcome to do that too if they would like, some more activities to do for science and social studies. All right, hope that was helpful. Bye.